Make sure that the building you live in is built in accordance with the rules and regulations. Identify all the items that you think might move or fall and be dangerous even at the slightest jolt. Hang the items such as lampshades, paintings, and mirrors with hook screws. Fix your heavy items like closets, TV sets, and bookshelves to the walls. Attach apparatuses to prevent the cabinet doors from opening. Change the location of dangerous items. Get help from your family or friends if necessary. Remember, by taking simple measures, you can prevent possible injuries and casualties during an earthquake. Do not put your sofas in front of the windows. Fix heavy items like a bookcase or wardrobe to the wall, or get help. Fix the hanging items in your rooms such as lampshades, paintings, and mirrors, or get help. Fix your chandeliers with hook screws or get help.